Hi friends, this is Anirban. This is my second tech news today. So without any further delay, let's listen my tech news and welcome to my Geeky Anirban channel. So these are as follows now. First tech news is that from Nokia 9. The phone has a dual camera on the back, a fingerprint reader and a curved edge-to-edge display on the front, and the front panel is a OLED panel. It is expected that the Nokia 9 will either 6GB RAM or 8GB RAM of 128GB storage. It has IP68 water resistant and dust resistant also. It has a wireless charging and maybe have ID scanner also. And the price quoted here is €749 and it's converted for the Indian rupees of 57,542. It is yet to be launched. So Nokia 9 has not been announced and when it will be launched. So let's see. Next news is that from iOS 11.0.2. iOS 11.0.2 is out now to fix more bugs. So those who have iPhones see on the settings and then see that whether they are in update or not. Today finally Apple has released the second major update to iOS 11, and iOS 11.0.2 is all about the fixing pesky bugs as it is iterative version number reveals. If you have an iPhone or an iPad that's still supported, it's recommended to make the jump to 11.0.2 as quickly as possible. It also takes care of its bug that caused some photos not to show up in your libraries, and an issue relating to attachments in encrypted email has been resolved too. So this is the best thing that iOS gives the 11.0.2 version. So if you don't have, see for the download and then update that. Next news is from the ZTE. ZTE confirms the Nubia Z17S in the month of October 12th. So ZTE is gearing up to announce a new Nubia smartphone in China on October 12th, means this year only, and its latest teaser comes. It will be the Z17S, an update to the Z17 with a new bezel-less screen on the front. So ZTE is doing a good job in this price. Next news is that from the Reliance Jio. We all know about the Jio plans previous. So the Jio has updated the more thing now. So Jio rupees 149. Listen this. Jio rupees 149 prepaid plan updated with the unlimited data access. The Jio has now updated as one such plan to offer unlimited data access. The rupees 149 plan till recently came with 2GB of bundled data. Listen this carefully. The rupees 149 plan till recently came with a 2GB of bundled data with 28 days of validity. Once the 2GB data cap was exhausted, the customer would have to buy a top-up voucher so that you have to recharge. The rupees 149 plan still comes with 2GB FUP, that is fair usage display policy, for 28 days, but now users can access the web at 64 kbps speed after the high speed quota is over. Even though Jio has provided customer speed is still lower than that of its other plans, that is rupees 96, rupees 309 and plans priced higher all after 128 kbps speed, twice that of rupees 149 plan. Once the data high speed is exhausted, even the rupees 99 plan comes with a 7GB or 4GB data, even though validity is just for 7 days. So this is the latest news of Jio rupees 149 plan. Next news is that from Elon Musk new plan. You all know about the Elon Musk. It's traveled from New Delhi to Tokyo in just 30 minutes. So Elon Musk on Friday unveiled his ambitious plan to send cargo ships to Mars in 5 years as part of SpaceX efforts to make sure its rockets are financially feasible. At least 2 cargo ships would land on the red planet in the year 2022 with the key mission of finding the best source of water. The rockets would place a power, mining and life support infrastructure on Mars to support future missions, with 4 ships set to take people, equipment and supplies to the planet in 2024. So this is a huge news for us in India. The next thing is that from the Amazon sale. We know the Amazon sale begins. The Amazon has kick-started its festive sale on the season with the discounts and deals on more than 10 crore products. There are great deals on electronics, consumers, durables, fashion, home and kitchen also via Amazon app or Amazon website. Apart from the flat discounts, the Amazon sale with allow the consumers to get more bang for the bucks via exchange offers, cashbacks on credit and debit card. Minimum spending of rupees 3000, maximum cashback rupees 2000. So this is a huge sale. If you want anything to buy from Amazon, you can go and rush from the through the Amazon and then buy the any other products which you want to buy. Next news is that from Honor India. Honor India expected to launch 4th camera smartphone on Thursday, that is Honor 9. One of the biggest attractions of the new Honor 9 is its dual camera of the back. It supports 20 megapixel sensor. The first sensor is a monochrome sensor, and thus alongside a 12 megapixel camera of the sensor side that has a PDF autofocus and 2-tone flash also with the aperture of f2/2. There is also an 8 megapixel front facing camera. The rear camera supports 4K video recording and the front facing camera supports full HD recording. It has a Kirin 960 processor. The way Honor itself has its own processor, that is Kirin 960 processor with 4 cores at 2.4 GHz and 4 additional cores at 1.8 GHz, and it has a 5.15-inch full HD display. So next news is that the shortage of all screens. We generally know that nowadays the budget phones are also providing the 18:9 display aspect ratio phones. So in the upcoming of 2018, the bezel smartphones have already become a trend in the industry. Few major smartphone brands have yet to launch an almost bezel-less handset, but in 2018, those few will be probably embrace the new trend as well. Apparently, the all-screen panel size requirements are different from companies to companies, as this mostly depend on the design of the smartphone they plan to launch. So this is a very good news for the smartphone buyers, those who want to buy the smartphones in the month of in the year of 2018. So we expect that most of the smartphones will be the 18:9 aspect ratio in future. Next news is that there's a big news, that is a petrol diesel prices dropped down shortly today after a excise duty cut. It brings relief to all the consumers. Currently, petrol and diesel prices fell by rupees 2.25 per liter in New Delhi and rupees 2.25 per liter in Kolkata, rupees 2.38 in Mumbai and rupees 2.41 in Chennai. So these are all the petrol prices decreases, and the price of the diesel retailed at rupees 56.89 in Delhi, rupees 59.55 in Kolkata, rupees 59.89 in Chennai, and major is that the rupees 60.43 in Mumbai. So this is a huge benefit for all the consumers, those who deal with the bikes, those who deal with any other automobiles. So these are all the very good things. The petrol and the diesel price decreases. So next but not the least news is that from the RBI. The RBI policy makers face tough challenge and the interest rate decision by today only. So the monetary policy committee of RBI is expected to keep its interest rate unchanged today despite a sharp slowdown of economic growth. The RBI could also exercise caution given that crude prices have rallied to their highest in more than years. The RBI is also likely to be concerned by growing expectations that the government will ramp up spending to boost growth. Current fiscal deficit target of 3.2% of gross domestic product for the year ending in March. So this is a huge news for the RBI policymakers, those who want to search in the Google also. So anyways, so these are all the tech news for today. Next news I will update tomorrow only. So if you have any queries, if you have any questions regarding this, please do let me know in the comment box, and you can ask freely anything in the comment box to me. So thank you guys, thank you very much.